Hi, this is the Little Blue Penguin, and I will be auditioning for the Wolf's Rain fandom on the parts of Cher and Blue. Hige, is that you? Hige. Everything's so blurry. Will you stay with me? I know you're not, but you've always been like a father to me. So, what else could I do? Talk to me! Don't fall asleep! Pops! Snap out of it! I know he was. That's why he was there. He tracked down a wolf to the ends of the earth. Yeah, I hear it too. Be careful. Even the most beautiful of roses has thorns. Have you seen Blue anywhere? Why am I asking a cat? You've become such a wonderful man. All of these streets are so convoluted, besides the fact that everything looks the same. And that's it. Thank you for listening.